Unajua ilikuwa usiku tu kufanya chochote. Kwa sababu kwa kora tu kwa sababu mwenye bara mwingine anasema hii ajali ilitokea jana usiku. It was around 8:30, around somewhere there. And it was drizzling. It involved a lorry. You can see this lorry, this truck which is here, and this crossroads matatu, which was from Nakuru, headed to Eldoret. The truck, I mean, was going probably towards Nakuru, past Nakuru to Nairobi. The spot, we lost 5 lives on the spot. Then by this morning, we are receiving information kwamba 2 are no longer with us. 2 have lost their lives also, bringing to a total of 7 fatalities. Nyanja has been it has been a black spot, especially during rainy seasons. So we really ask the motorists to be careful when they approach the bridge, because you realize the matatu had started descending and the lorry was ascending.